Hey, what's up, guys? What if I told you that there was an application that you could install on any Amazon Fire Stick in just a few minutes that would give you all of your entertainment for free from all of the different networks? That's right, guys. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step everything it is that you're going to need to know so that you can install this amazing application on your Fire Stick and enjoy all of your entertainment for free. If you want to learn more, well, just stick around because I'm about to show you how to do all of it right now. All right, so you want to learn how to get all of your entertainment from all of the most popular networks absolutely free. The very first thing that we must do is go into the Amazon App Store and search for just one app. The easiest way to do this is simply slide left on your remote until you're on the magnifying glass. Then we're going to push down and click our center button. It's then going to bring up a keypad allowing us to type out whichever application it is that we're looking for. You also have the option to use the voice search on your remote as shown right here. You just simply have to hold down the voice search for a few seconds, speak directly into the remote and tell it what it is that you're looking for. In today's video, we're looking for an application called Downloader. Then it's going to take us right to the Amazon App Store to this bright orange app. Once highlighted on the app, just click the center button. Now you're going to have the ability to download this on your device. Click your center button one more time and the download process will begin automatically. Give it just a few seconds to go through the installation. Once everything is wrapped up, it's going to say open. I don't want to open the app just yet. I'm just waiting for the app to finish installing. Once you see open, what I would like for you to do is click the home button on your remote. Because the next thing that we need to do is go into our settings to change just one setting. The easiest way to get into all of your settings is simply slide all the way over to the very end. And when you do, a menu will appear on the bottom half of your screen. Just slide down and we're looking for something called My Fire TV. Now, if you have an older Fire Stick or older Fire TV, it might be called My Device, but if you have a newer one, it's going to be called My Fire TV. Either way, let's go ahead and click into it. Now, right here on the very first screen, you're going to see that I have something called Developer Options. If for any reason that your Fire device does not have that, all you need to do is simply come up here and click on About. Then, while highlighted on whichever device you have, I have the Fire TV Stick 4K. Yours might be a different model. But either way, just highlight on the device and then click the center button on your remote several times. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you'll get a pop-up that says, congratulations, you are now a developer. Once you see the pop-up, then just click back. And now you too will have developer options available on this menu. Let's go ahead and open this together. The first thing that you're going to see is ADB debugging. All you need to do is click the center button on your remote one time and you can turn that on. We're going to slide down and we're going to click on Install Unknown Apps. Now you'll see that Downloader is on this list. All we need to do is click the center button one time and we turn it on. Now that Downloader is turned on, now we can click the home button on our remote. Because now what we want to do is go and find that brand new Downloader application that we just installed. And the easiest way to find all of your apps is simply slide almost to the end onto that icon, click on it, and when you do, it's going to bring up every application that you've installed on your device. Now, the newest app always goes to the very bottom. So all you have to do is scroll down through all of your apps, and you'll see that the last app is the Downloader app. Let's go ahead and open that together. Now you might have a little pop-up. Just click your center button and that will go away. All right, guys, so welcome to the Downloader app. This application allows you to go along the internet to almost any website it is that you would like to visit. All you need to do is click the center button on your remote 2 times, once and twice. Again, it's going to bring up a keypad allowing you to type out whichever website it is that you want to go to. Today, I want to take us to one website in particular. I'll throw that on the screen as I spell it. All right, so now that you have that entered correctly, just click right there where it says Go. Now you'll notice I have this little red circle on my screen. And if I move up and down and left and right, I can move that red circle around on the screen. What I would like for you to do is just move that circle down just a little bit. We're looking for this big block. So what you want to do is come and move the red circle and put it anywhere on the block that says Download APK Android. Then click your center button. The download process will begin automatically. As soon as that's finished, it's going to ask for you to go through the installation. Just slide over and click the word install. When the installation is finished, what I would like for you to do is click done. So we're going to come over here and click done. By clicking done, that brings you back here to this screen where now we have the ability to delete this unnecessary installation file. So we're going to slide over and we're going to click delete. We're going to slide over and click delete. All right, guys, well, that is everything that we need from the Downloader app. Let's go ahead and click our home button on our remote. The next thing that we need to do is go and change one more setting. And if you remember from before, the easiest way to get to all of your settings is simply slide all the way over to the right. The menu will appear on the bottom half of the screen. And again, we want to come down here and click on My Fire TV. Now, you might be right back here at this screen. What I would like for you to do is click the back button, and then we want to re-enter where it says Install Unknown App. So we click our center button, and now you'll see that Unlinked has appeared on this list. Let's go ahead and click our center button one time and turn Unlinked on. We must make sure that Unlinked and Downloader are both turned on for this process to work. Now that both of those are turned on, let's go ahead and click the home button on the remote. Because just like before, now we need to go and find that brand new Unlinked app that we just installed. And if you remember from before, to find all of your apps, you simply click on that icon right there. And the newest app always goes to the very bottom. So just like before, now we have Unlinked. Let's go ahead and open that up. Now right here is going to ask you to enter a new library. Just click your center button. Click your center button one more time. And again, a keypad's going to pop up allowing you to enter the code to whichever library it is that you would like to visit. Guys, I have put together my very own personal app store that I am giving exclusive access just to my viewers. I have loaded it with only the very best, most up-to-date applications available. I wanted to make sure that my viewers have only the very best when it comes to their streaming needs. And the only thing I ask in return for all of my hard work of putting together the store, keeping it up to date, making this video, answering all of your comments, is that you're kind enough just to take a half of a second and hit that subscribe button. That means a whole lot to me, guys. I'm currently right about 250,000 subscribers. I would love to reach 1 million, and I appreciate each and every person who has helped me along the way. And if you've not done so already, please hit that subscribe button and tell me thank you and help me reach 1 million subscribers. Now that you are a subscriber, I'd like for you to go ahead and enter this code right here. Now that you have that code entered correctly, just click right there where it says next. And guys, welcome to my very own personal app store. Again, this store is loaded with tons of applications. They offer free movies, TV shows, sports, live TV, pay-per-view, and much more. A lot of you have asked me what is the best application for this or that. I've put together my top 5 favorite applications right here for you guys. I've also put together a little message that tells you how important it is to have a VPN right here. So once you've had a chance to read everything it is right here on the screen, what I would like for you to do is click the center button on your remote maybe 2 or 3 times. By clicking the center button on your remote a few times, what that does is it breaks my store into different categories for you. So you can push up and down to go through the different categories, or left and right to select the different applications. There's over 40 different applications available in my store for you guys to choose from, but I want to take just a small sample of that to show you how my store works. So right here, the very first thing that I'm highlighted on is called the Drama Player. And if you see the Drama Player in its 4 HDO box. And right here is the HDO box application, and it says use the Drama Player. There's a lot of applications that are in my store that require it to have a separate player for you to use the app. So the app is HDO box and the player is the Drama Player. So just make sure that you check to see which player goes along with which app it is that you would like to download. So let's go ahead and select the app. We're going to click our center button. Then we're going to be prompted to download this. Just click your center button one more time, and the download process will begin automatically. You'll see the progress going across the screen. Once it reaches 100%, you'll get a pop-up. Now just click Install App, slide over and click Install. Once the installation is finished, what it's going to do is going to bump you right back into the store so that then you can continue to download even more apps. So now that we got the app, we must get the corresponding player that goes along with the app. So we're going to download the app. Again, it's going to give you the percentage. We're just waiting for it to get to 100%. Then we'll get the little pop-up. We're going to click Install App. We're going to slide over and we're going to click Install. And again, after the installation is finished, it's going to bump you right back into the store. Now, I know a lot of my viewers are brand new to the FireStick and third-party apps and how all of this works, and they might be confused on why you need a player and why you need an app. I kind of simplified it as easy as I can. This is like having a DVD or a Blu-ray, and this is like the DVD or the Blu-ray player. You need this one to put into that one so that then you can view the image. I hope that I didn't mess anybody up and I explained that as simply as I can so that you guys kind of understand why you would need 2 apps to go together. Also, I wanted to make sure that we download the IPVanish VPN. Let's go ahead and click on that. We're going to click download. And again, like everything else, we're just waiting for it to get to 100% so that then we can install the app. And once you see the little pop-up, just click Install App. We're going to slide over and we're going to click Install. And again, once the installation is finished up, it's going to bump you right back into the store. Guys, this is just a very small example of my store and the applications that are available. There's over 40 different applications available for you to choose from. Please, you're already in the store. Download all of the apps that you would like to try out. All of the apps are free to use. Download as many of them as you like. Now that you've downloaded all of the apps that you want to try out, what I would like for you to do is click the home button on your remote. Because just like before, I want to go and find all of those new apps. And if you remember from earlier in the video, you just slide almost to the end, you click on that icon, and it brings up all of your apps. And just like before, all of the newest apps always go to the very bottom. So right here are all of our brand new apps. So what I would like for you to do is highlight one of those new apps and then click the 3 dashes on your remote right next to the home button. When you do, a little menu will appear. What I would like for you to do is slide down and click Move to Front. And as you see, it brought the application from the bottom of the list and it put it right here at the top. I want to do that just a couple more times. I want to do it, this app, I want to click 3 dashes and I want to click Move to Front. And one more, I want to click 3 dashes and Move to Front. Now, please feel free, move these applications around in whatever order is going to work best for you. But I want to show you what moving them to the top does for your device. So let's go ahead and click the home button on your remote. Right here from the home screen where you begin each and every time, the applications are right here on this main bar so that you have easy access to them. This first app, that is unlinked. That's my store. So if you want to go back and try out some more apps or get some updates to your existing apps, you have easy access right here from the home screen to do that at any time. The next app is the IPVanish VPN. It is by far my #1 recommended application when it comes to keeping you 100% safe and secure while enjoying all of your entertainment. Not only that, this application will also bypass all of those restrictions that your own internet provider is putting on you and all of your devices. And before I ever open any of those other apps from my store, I always make sure that I turn my VPN on first. So let's go ahead and open up our VPN. So right here, it will ask you for a username and password. If for any reason that you don't already have an account with IPVanish, don't worry, I'm going to make it super easy for you to get one. All you need to do is go to any internet browser that you normally would use and go to this website right here. You can also take your camera out and point it at the QR code there in the corner, or you can scroll down below in the description or the comments. I'm going to leave links there also. Any way that you get there, all the links are going to take you to the IPVanish website. From there, you can pick out whichever plan is going to work best for you. Also, check out their website and learn more about the importance of a VPN and why each and every person should be using one. Once you pick out your plan, they will then email you a confirmation with your very own username and password to log in. I'm going to log in and I'll meet you in just a second. So welcome to the IPVanish VPN. Again, it is by far my #1 recommended application when it comes to keeping you 100% safe and secure. Really quickly, before we hit the word connect, I want to show you just a few settings. If you push right on your remote one time, you're going to be highlighted on that gear. Just click your center button, then a menu will appear. The very first thing that I'm highlighted on is connect on Android Startup. I know a lot of us get excited and we just open the app and we want to play a movie, but then halfway through the movie, we're like, wait, did I turn my VPN on? I forgot. And if you select connect on Android Startup, like click your center button and turn it on, you don't have to worry if you've turned your VPN on because it turns itself on every time that you power on your device. Also, you're going to have many other settings in here. If you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to have all of your account information. You're going to have the ability to contact support if you have any issues or problems. I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew how to get into all of the settings and what you could do about making sure that your VPN is always connected. Now that you've selected all of your settings, just push the back button. Now we can push left and we can click right there where it says connect. Give your system just a second. You might get a pop-up. Just slide down and click OK. Then in a second, you will see the country light up in green, letting you know that you are protected. It also has a timer here and it says connected right there, letting you know that you are connected to the VPN. Now that you're connected, all you need to do is click the home button on your remote. The VPN will continue to run in the background, keeping you connected and protected while you go and enjoy all of those applications that you downloaded from my store. And I hope that you guys enjoy the HDO box application that we came here today for. It is an amazing application that gives you the ability to just click and play. It's not like other applications that provide you with a bunch of sources that you need to choose from. And I know that I wanted to bring this application to my viewers because I've had a lot of comments mentioning how much they love this app. All right, guys, well, if you have not done so already, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. You can also give this video a thumbs up or ring the notification bell if you never want to miss a video. But above all that, I would love it if you were to share this video with a friend, a coworker, a neighbor, so that they too can have all of their entertainment absolutely free, just like you do. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for spending your time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon in the next video.